Good morning, guys. It's Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much, guys, for clicking. And thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. For the new subscribers, welcome. And for the OG, I love you so much. And let's keep growing this channel. And today's video, for those ones who are new, I have a kitchen garden in my backyard. And this kitchen garden has been producing each and every year. I have pears in my kitchen garden, which I'm going to be showing you in a little bit. And also have a kitchen garden which has kales, black nightshade, cowpeas, different kinds of kales, and also we have a plum tree. Also, we have what you call this okra. We have okra, which I have harvested okra. I'm gonna be showing you. Oh my goodness, guys! But today's video, it's been a whole week, working and getting busy. But today is a weekend. I need to go outside and check how the kitchen garden is doing. And one of the things that I did, I have been saying that I have a pumpkin in my backyard. Like, I'm going to harvest pumpkin leaves. Guys, I was all wrong. That was a cantaloupe, not even pumpkin. So the cantaloupe is going wild in my kitchen garden. I feel like the cantaloupe is swallowing all the greens in my kitchen garden. But I'm going to take you outside so that we can see what's happening and what we did with this cantaloupe. We improvised something without wasting your time. Let's go outside so we can see what's actually happening. And yes, today I'm vlogging from my staircase. Very long staircase. It's over, but we're gonna put wood floor here because I'm tired of washing this carpet. Okay, we need to put wood floor. But before that, let's go check our kitchen garden. So I'm gonna show you how the kitchen garden looks like. So far, the kitchen garden looks good. The kales are doing really, really well. This is a blessing, guys. The kales, I'm telling you, they are doing well. And also, I discovered that I have cowpeas. Let me show you. I have cowpeas over here. I didn't know that they were here, but you can tell these are cowpeas. So we're going to harvest that one tonight. Also, we have more bitter leaves coming up. The more I uproot these bitter leaves, the more they keep coming. So we have bitter leaves, we have cowpeas, we have kales here that is doing so well. And also we have okra over here. These are okra. It's growing. Let me show you from this side. Oh, look what we are doing here, guys. I can see okra. This one actually is ready to harvest. We can start harvesting this okra right here, right now. Oh my God. Look, we are harvesting our okra right here, right now. Actually, I should have started harvesting last week because when you harvest this okra, you don't want them to be hard. So from today, every single day, actually, we'll be harvesting okra. Guys, are you not happy? Our first okra is right here. How God, can you complain what God can do? Can you complain actually? Our first okra? Oh my goodness, so happy. Guys, clap for me, your village girl. We thank God for this okra. We have more, but I overlooked this one. It got harder because I don't like harvesting the hard one. But look, and we have more coming up. So every day we'll be coming here actually to harvest this okra. Guys, I'm so excited. Our first okra. Yay! So we are going to eat this one today. Well, let's keep having a tour. So these are kales. We have two types of kales here. We have this type and we have another type that looks like this. And I'm going to give you the names of these kales in a little bit. But I wanted to show you also something that we are going to harvest here. Black nightshade. We are going to harvest these seeds for the next season. You see, they're turning purplish. That's actually what we are going to harvest today as well. So they are turning purplish. That means we can keep them and then plant them, dry them, and keep them for the next season. Our kales, guys, are doing so well. We have more okra. More okra. It's coming here. Guys, this is how actually you save your coins. If you have a small area that you want to harvest, you want to plant something, or kale. So the easiest thing that you can plant is kale. Guys, you see what's happening? We have a plum tree here that also is doing well. Let me show you guys something. This is the grass that we cut from our yard here. This is the grass we cut from here. So after we cut from here, we put it here to make manure. So as you can see, it's rotten and it's adding a value to our garden. Now it's becoming manure everywhere. Now this kale is going to be doing so well. Guys, I wanted to show you something else. Well, we have a cantaloupe here. A cantaloupe, guys, is a kind of fruit. At the beginning, I thought this was pumpkin seeds, but I was pumpkin leaves. But actually, I was wrong. This is a cantaloupe. It's a fruit. So this fruit, it's coming up very soon. So it's coming up very soon. I don't know. Something tells me it's a fruit. Pumpkin. Something tells me it's a cantaloupe. Guys, I am not sure even now because I can see something. But let's just wait for the next week. Then I can actually, because I've been growing pumpkin here and I've been growing cantaloupes. So this one confusing me. But I'm going to ask my smart guy that I have on my phone. Is going to tell me exactly what this plant is. But as you can see, the cantaloupe or the pumpkin is actually growing everywhere. So what we did, I don't want this pumpkin actually to go even on my plum tree here, because you never know what it's gonna do to my plum tree. So I don't want it to go there. So we're going to direct this that way, because you can see it's eating my kales as well. It's everywhere. So this is actually, we put this thing here, the frames, I can say, here. This used to be a bed frame. For a very long time, it's been sitting in our garage. And then we thought this is a good idea for this frame to come here. So this cantaloupe here slash pumpkin can start growing there. As you can see, it's starting growing up there. So it's going to go all over this bed guide here, these frames here. So we want to direct this pumpkin slash cantaloupe to start growing here. But I'm pretty much believing that it's a cantaloupe, because usually the pumpkin, I can see that we can eat it, but this is so rough. So definitely it's not a pumpkin, it's a cantaloupe. So, but we need to remove this cantaloupe from here so that we can redirect it from one side. And also I can see the whatever it's getting sick. I don't know, some kind of insects are eating it, but I'm going to come up with my vinegar and water and spray here. And also, if you have peroxide, it can help as well. Mix with water, and it can be able to kill all these insects that are eating. I see a little bit of insects here. I don't know what kind of insect is this. I don't know if you can see it. It just flown away. So yeah, this is how our kitchen garden actually is doing. It's been raining so much, so I thought let me come here, give you an update. Also, our mint is actually doing so well. Look, it's doing so well. Mint, amazing. Thank God for that. But that's our little garden that we have here, and I'm so proud of this little garden. But I need to harvest this seeds, black nightshade seeds before they get eaten by the bugs or anything that might come here to destroy. But so far, everything is doing well. Our spring onions are holding on. We are eating it. We are sharing with our friends. This is what you call a dream come true. When God decides to bless you with the greens, God blesses you with the greens. And being the first time that we harvested our first okra, oh my God. So very soon we are going to start drinking okra water, washing our face with okra water. Guys, it's going to be a blessing. Also, let me give you a tour of my pears. For those ones who don't know, that we have 2 trees of pears here in my backyard, which are doing so well. Look at this. each and every week I keep updating you how big these pears are becoming. Guys, they are becoming huge. I know there's a little bit of rain that sometimes rains and it drops some. So I don't want that rain to start disturbing my pears. So yeah, so I am very happy of what I see. The pears are coming out all along well. We'll see what happens because sometimes the bugs or insects, there's some insects that comes here and eats the pears when they're almost done. But this year, I see that some of them are there, but some of them are doing so well. We have another tree here that is also doing so well. So we have two trees that does well every year. So I can see some kind of in some kind of infection which we need to cut. Let me see if I can show you. Do you see this thing right here? This one looks like an infection right here. And then when you see this kind of infection, the best thing that you can do for the rest of the hairs is to cut it, to chop it off. So I'm going to bring a knife or something, a machete or something, so we can chop that branch off. Let me do that